Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Katba dang mareh step, tajuk Ksew ya kawei Kynthei, Haduh santok ksai lasu ya ka. Kawei Kynthei Katba kadang mareh step, kelas Dait ha Ksew. Kane ka jingja kala jaha ka arpun rutrik ukalalin kuat arjar arpun reu, ha Bangalore. Kane ka Kynthei, kala mensau ha kikijat, ka durkmat, urendang, bat ka kli. Kane ka Kynthei, kala pak sumara la de ha hospital, bat lasu ksai ki denmong dongka, Haduh santok ksai. Ulok jong kaneka Kynthei, wa ai ka FIR, ha SR police station, ya ki try Ksew. Namar ka jingle sting Ksew jong ki. Mentra kaneka Kynthei, kadang sak sumar ha hospital. Nakalian ki pulit, kadang pejbini ya ki video ha ki CCTV. Kadang ban lap ya ka jingbom sumar bah ki try Ksew. Ya Ksew jong ki.
Is when the incident occurred when a pet dog attacked a person and she has now sustained injuries and 50 stitches on the face and the neck. The husband of the woman has finally lodged a complaint in the HSR police station. Case has been registered against the dog owner for being negligent and not controlling the dog. This is not the first instance across India that we have seen about how dogs has attacked people, and this person who we're talking about, the victim, was on a morning walk when the dog suddenly attacked in HSR layout, and she sustained injuries and she's still in hospital undergoing treatment. As far as the investigation is concerned, the police have lodged an FIR and now they will take up the investigation looking into all the CCTV cameras as well.